Hi everyone, it's Genene here with another short restorative yoga practice. So you will need either 2 blankets or a bolster for our gentle inversion that we're going to do. And then to start, let's come into child's pose. But before we do, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button. And then at the end, if you could click like if you like this video, and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. So since we have our blankets, we'll use it for a supported child's pose just for a moment or two. So big toes together, knees open. Throw a blanket behind your knees if you need to. You can throw a blanket underneath your ankles. And then with your bolster right in between your legs, walk your hands forward and come onto your forearms and then come onto your forehead. Take a few breaths here. Checking in with yourself and your intentions for your practice. What drew you to your mat today? Recommitting to those intentions. If you turned your head to one side, now turn it to the other side. Take your hands now underneath your shoulders, press yourself up. And then take your props and move them out of the way just for a moment. Come on to hands and knees. And a few cat-cows to warm the spine a little more. Tilt your pelvis forward. Inhale, lift your chest. And then exhale, round. Inhale. And then exhale. And inhale. And exhale. And then uncurl the toes. Come to sitting down on your heels, Vajrasana. And clasp your hands behind your back. Inhale, stretch your arms back. Lift your chest. Throat open, head back. Take the clasp the other way, so put the other index finger on top. Inhale. Stretch your arms back. Lift your chest again. Breathe space into your chest. And then exhale, release. Let's take our either bolster or 2 blocks just to the side. And then you're going to lie down on your backs, knees bent, feet flat. From here, you push down through your feet, lift your hips up and slide your props underneath your pelvis. So if you didn't have 2 blankets or a bolster, but you did have a block, that would work as well. And now gently roll your shoulders slightly under, and then take your low ribs and let them descend into the earth. And allow your eyes to gently close. So just make sure that your pelvis is being supported by the prop, so you're not putting the props underneath your low back. And with every breath, gently allow it to start to deepen. May stay here as long as it feels comfortable to you. To come out, press down through your feet, lift your hips a little bit so that you can slide your props out from underneath you. Slide them off to the side, gently lower your hips down. Now very gently draw your knees into your chest and let the weight of your arms bring your knees into your chest. They're not going very deep here. Release your legs, preparing for Shavasana. Externally rotating your arms once more. And see where you feel more ease in your shoulders and your back. You may stay here as long as you like. For now, thank you so much for joining me today, and I look forward to hearing your comments below how this worked for you. Namaste.